It's time to start filling up the tree.
Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative. Today I'm going to be making some Christmas ornaments using some recycled cardboard and leftover yarn from another project. So the first thing I did is I took the cardboard and I drew out a Christmas tree. So we're talking about 2 inches at the bottom and 4 inches from here to the top. And then these are about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. And then I just took some scissors, and I did have to use an X-Acto knife, and I just carefully cut a whole bunch of these trees out. This is the first tree I did, and I just used regular craft liquid glue, and I took the yarn and I just wrapped it around the tree. And in fact, I took the glue and I squeezed some all over the back and the front and just wrapped. I started with the trunk. And then once I got that all wrapped, I finished off with the tree part. After I did that, I cut out a star in that cardboard. And I just looped a piece of yarn to make the little hanger thing and glued that all together at the top. And then these ornament things, which I used hot glue gun. I need to peel all that stuff off once this gets good and dry. But these are those little sequins from diamond painting. And you can use beads, or let me show you this one. I just took some fluffy yarn and just wrapped it. And I don't think I'm going to put any ornaments on that one. I really like the way this one turned out. Now for this one, I did not use the craft glue. I actually used hot glue, and it worked a lot better. This took forever to dry, and I had to set something on top of it and let it dry overnight. I mean, you can use that liquid glue, but if you have hot glue gun, I recommend that you use that. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left to do. So I'm going to get these done. And I really wanted to show you how to do these, but I'm having internet issues, and I've been trying to upload a video for 2 days. In fact, it's been more than 2 days. So I'm not for sure what's going on. We have to do some investigating on that. We live in an area where we don't have very good internet anyway, but this is ridiculous. Anyway, let me get these all done up, and I'll be back and show you what they look like on the tree. And here, most of them are 1, 2, 3, 4. I've done 5 total. This one right here, I used camo yarn and then tan at the bottom. And then I just had some clippings from another yarn project that I was doing. And I just glued up those on as ornaments. This one right here, I actually wrapped twice. And these little things came from our garden. I forgot what kind of berries those were, but they're all dried up, and so I picked those and glued them on that. And for here, I put 3 of them up there to cover up the glue part where I glued the handle on there. This one is still my favorite. It's just plain. I love the way it turned out. I think it's because I like the yarn so much. This one was the first one I showed you. And then here's another one that I used those berries. This is actually a really fun project, and I'm probably going to be doing some more. I finally got my tree that I found the other day. So I got to get some ornaments made for it. I've got all these ornaments that I made for my grandchildren. I will be putting them on the tree because guess what? They're coming to visit me for Christmas. So when they get here, I'll just take them off the tree and they can take them home. And I've got the spider that I am going to put on the tree. I made this several years ago, and spider's supposed to bring good luck. And then of course I've got some of my guitar string ornaments that I'll be putting on there. But stay tuned, because I am going to try to come up with some more ornaments to put on there, and hopefully my internet will get fixed. Wish me luck on that. I just checked on it and it's like 22% loaded up. That's ridiculous. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me, and you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.